How many panels will I need? Working out how many panels you will need to clad the walls of a bathroom is a lot simpler than you may think. Just a certain amount of measuring, a little maths, and you're there. Because cladding panels were designed to run vertically from floor to ceiling, it's simply a case of measuring the perimeter of the wall in metres and then multiplying that figure by the amount of panels it takes to complete a single metre. The number you come to will be the number of panels that you need for the job. Imagine you were looking to clad this room in our 1 metre wide wall panels. As you can see, it measures 3.3 by 1.5 metres. By adding the length of each of the 4 walls together, you reach a figure of 9.6 metres, which in this case simply converts to 10 boards. Our narrow panels are 250mm wide, or put more simply, 4 panels for every metre. So, if you were looking to use this style of panel, you would need to multiply each of the metres by 4 to discover how many panels are required. In this case, 9.6 metres translates into 39 panels. Obviously, these calculations do not consider that you may only be cladding down to the top of the bath, or that the room contains a door and a window, which obviously will not be clad. However, because doors, windows and bath sizes vary tremendously, it's difficult to make generalisations about how many cladding panels you may save by not covering these areas. However, you will need to make allowances for this in your final calculations. And please note not to forget those areas that are easily missed, such as the reveals around the doors and the windows.